Hey beauties, so we're here in Brooklyn today. We're actually in Williamsburg. This is where my husband's tattoo studio is. So he's just in the store now, just doing some work. And so me and Roxy are here waiting because she can't go outside, guys. We have taken her for training and it's great. She's great, but she does get kind of crazy. Like she does turn almost vicious. I don't know any other word to say it. Like she looks vicious to the people. Like hopefully she's not going to do anything right now because of course we're in the car, but she'll attack from the car, even, go like vicious. Like it looks like she's going to break the glass, smash through the glass, attack. When we're in public or around people, I guess she gets overprotective or things of that nature. So she's trying to protect. So a few people said to me, they said, "Oh, don't worry, it's sweet. She's just trying to protect her mama." But I don't want her to attack anybody. Of course, she never has, guys. She has never attacked anybody, but she barks like it looks like she's going to attack. So it's scary for the people, and I don't want anything to happen to anybody. So anyway, guys, now I figured I would just hop on today and just do a little new makeup 2024 beauties. Oh my God, I got so much new makeup the other day at Ulta that I cannot wait I haven't tried it out yet. I figured I would wait for you guys. But it seems to me they've come out with so many new makeup products, and a lot of it was sold out in store. So I did go online and order. For example, I'll show you right now. This is a new product from NYX. Now, of course, it's new to me. They had the whole display like it's new, but sometimes things are just remarketed, I guess, and they're actually have been out. So I'm not sure. Let me know if down below. So what it is the NYX Pro Fix Stick. Now, these look so amazing. I haven't tried these yet. They were completely sold out of every shade. And I got this one here, though. This one, I believe, is called Sienna. And I'm going to use this to contour, and I wish I had a brush on me right now. I'm hoping that it's going to be almost like the Victoria Beckham stylus, I believe it's called. She has a contour stick that's like a pen. I really want to try it, but it's so pricey, and I'm like, just make do with what you have. But sometimes you just can't resist. But I haven't tried it yet. But this reminds me of it because it's so slim. And okay, so I'm going to try this right now. Actually, I just have my fingers. I don't have a brush, but I'm so excited to try this. But when I get home, we'll try the other stuff. But what I wanted to tell you, beauties, now this stick though, they do have a lot of different shades, deep shades, super light shades. And then this is really intriguing. They have color correctors. So they have a peach, a pink, green. So I'm so excited because personally, I am almost out of my color corrector. And so the one that I'm using is Trish McAvoy, and I would love to have a more affordable option. So I did order it though on their website because it's sold out everywhere. But let me go ahead and try this with you beauties really quick. This is this is the same product that comes in so many shades. And then if you're like me and you have a lighter complexion, you can get one of the deeper shades and use it to contour. So again, I only have my fingers, but let's see how this goes because yes, guys, it's working just like I thought. It's so slim that it's like a pencil. And, ooh, there it just got a little bit all over. Oh, my God. Okay, but that's all right. Well, oh, guys. Okay, and then look at this, though. You can even use it to do your eyes, contour like that. And even probably your lips, of course, like that. I'm not going to do that right now because, I don't have a lot. I'll do it when we get home. At home, I do have a light colored concealer that I can't wait to try. And, but I'm going to try that when I get back home with you guys. I didn't bring that with me. But now I'm just what should I use? I do have a little sponge here that I bought. But let me just try my finger really quick. Just blend it with my finger. Okay, first of all, it's so creamy. So that's a plus. Because I was worried that it would be dry. But it's not. And I was even thinking like for the concealer, I'm very excited. The concealer looks exactly like that, but it's light. I'm really excited to try that because it's so convenient when it's in a stick like that. Don't you guys think? So I hope you guys can see that, but that blended beautifully just with my finger. And then super creamy. which I'm very excited about, again, because the concealer should be super creamy then too for the under eyes. And that'll be a dream product. My nails are so long though, you guys. But this one fell off, so we'll use this to do the blending. That's beautiful, guys. And this is a beautiful shade. And that is just like how Victoria Beckham's product works. And then I got this the other day. This isn't new, but I love it. It's the Bare Minerals foundation, powder foundation. And it's, oh my goodness, this is a beautiful product because it gives you so much coverage. And it is talc free and made of good for you ingredients. And it really smooths your complexion. So it looks like, you know, your complexion just looks very smooth and poreless and all that. But I don't have any other foundation on today, just this, and I love it. And usually I do have on liquid foundation. But I hope you guys can see this did a beautiful job. Now, I could even go deeper. Well, they didn't have any. I'm going to buy another one, a deeper one. But you guys, that seems like an amazing product. And then I didn't bring anything else with me. I didn't think I was going to come and chit chat right now, but I just wanted to. I brought that with me because because they also have a new lip product, but it looks just like that, but it's a lip product. But I don't think I thought that was it. And I put it in my bag, but actually I shouldn't even I didn't do my makeup today because I'm planning to, do it when I get home with you guys. Cause I got the e.l.f. I believe this is the product that a lot of you beauties were telling me about. It's the e.l.f., a new e.l.f. brow product. And I was in Ulta, and the one that they had in Ulta, it's an e.l.f. because I've tried the e.l.f. lifting brow product. But the one that I got, the new one, is the waterproof version. Is that what it is? Is that what you guys were speaking about? Because you guys were telling me that, I believe Emily Noel was talking about a new e.l.f. brow product, and I didn't get a chance to watch her video. So is that the one that you guys were talking about? That's the one I got yesterday. I have that at home. So we'll give it a try later. But I just feel so much more, together when I have my brows on. But I didn't bring any other makeup with me. I wish I did. But I am going to go. Did I bring it? Because I really wanted to bring it. This is that new product that I showed you guys the other day, Maybelline Build-A-Brow. This is amazing. Actually, I just should have used, this is flipping amazing. Now, I was running, you guys, and I had these brows on, and they did not come off. So these brows are truly, they say they're budge-proof, and they really are. And how convenient is this product, the Maybelline Build-A-Brow, because it comes with the gel on one end, so you can do your, gel your brows into place. When I get home, guys, we'll test out those new products. I got so many new products to test out with you. But now this is a new product too. This is the Gucci lip gloss, which at first I said, this must be a gimmick kind of, like why is it, what's special about Gucci lip gloss? April had told me about it, but, I myself was just like, do I need this? But you guys, the thing that is so special about this lip gloss, it really is worth every penny, is that it stays put for so long. So it does plump your lips. It does moisturize them. But the really amazing thing about this is that these lips aren't coming off. Now, it lasts compared to, I just had this one on. This one is very plumping. Where is it? But the new Too Faced one I got, Polite Society, but it's not very long lasting. But it does make your lips huge, but it burns and it hurts. But, oh no, this isn't Too Faced. This is Too Faced former owner or creator, Jared, created a new makeup company called Polite Society. And this is, I guess, one of the first products from his new company, Polite Society. So this is their lip plumper. Now, this does plump your lips like you cannot believe. But it does hurt, and it's not very long lasting as compared to this one from Gucci. So long lasting. It's amazing. It's crazy. And I have to tell you, dolls, I even drank my drink. I had my Zevia drink that I love, and I drank that. and it still was on. It lasts so long. So April, thank you so much for recommending it to the beauties. I will link her. I'll pin her down below if she happens to see this video. Oh my god, you guys, this girl is wearing the most beautiful green, emerald green faux fur coat. Wow. I don't know if you can see, she just went by. See that green going by? That's her coat. You guys, there's gonna be a snowstorm, so we're gonna, I guess, stock up on food. And then yeah, I was planning to go into Sephora and see the new makeup 2024 at Sephora. I also am going to be back and we'll test out that new drugstore makeup. Yeah, this Gucci lip product is amazing, you guys. It plumps and again lasts so long you can't believe it. So it's really worth it. Even though it was like $42, which is very pricey. But, you know, it's worth it because it lasts. And I'm sure a little goes a long way if you want to, you know, siphon a little bit at a time. But this is really amazing. So I did get this at Sephora the other day. Now, when my husband comes, I was planning to, because Sephora's right over there, so I'm planning to run in, again, see new makeup 2024, and then, you know, I'll be back and we'll test out this other new makeup that I got at Ulta. It's from NYX. It's several products from NYX, and I got a bunch of stuff to show you. So I will be back, guys. So I hope you guys are staying warm. If you're in a cold climate, it's freezing out, but I'll be back later, guys.